Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about mobile operating system. There are so many operating system available in market. BlackBerry, Android, Windows Mobile, Symbian OS and iOS. A mobile operating system is a software managing a mobile devices, hardware, apps. It is acting like a bridge for touch interface, calls, internet, and power management with dominant example like Android, Apple iOS, in Huawei's Harmonies, and older system like BlackBerry OS exist. What should be the main functions of mobile operating system as today's scenario? Everyone is using mobile. So when we use mobile or we purchase mobile, everybody wants that your mobile should be higher configuration and have multiple features and as well good features and functions your mobile functions properly. So what are the basic functions available through mobile operating system? They are user interface, which is very much required. That user interface manages touch gestures like swipe, tap, pinch, etc. And hardware control manages camera, GPS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular, and app platforms like Google Play, App Store, which manages and run the apps, and resource management handles memory, battery, and multitasking, etc. What are different major mobile operating system available? Android from Google, iOS from Apple, Harmony is from Huawei. So Android operating system available from Google, which is open source, highly customizable, power most or non Apple smartphones, like Samsung Pixels. iOS, which is available from Apple, and it is closed ecosystem for iPhones. It is only available for Apple phones, iPads, Apple watches. Basically, it is very secure, so it is known for security and simplicity. Harmony OS is basically provided by Huawei's own operating system, which offers deep integration across devices. So these are different operating systems: Android, iOS, Windows Phone, Symbian OS, BlackBerry OS. We will first talk about iOS. iOS mobile operating system from the company Apple. This system was distributed only by the company's product Apple. It is only available on the Apple's iPhone, iPad, Apple TV, iPod, etc. What are the different dignities? Ease of use, quality support, regular updates eliminating many problems and the shortcomings. But what it is needed, the need for jailbreak to install unofficial application, and it is closed operating system. It is not openly available. Android operating system. What is the Android operating system? One of the youngest mobile operating system based on the Linux operating system and developed by the Open Handset Alliance (OHA) with support of Google. And the source code is publicly available, so anybody can use that code and modify it, and developer can create their own version of this mobile OS. Application developers are put forward a small number of restrictions, so there are many both paid and free applications that can be conveniently downloaded from Google Play. So it can be downloaded, and a developer can can do some changes, but there will be some restrictions. What are the dignities? Dignities are flexibility. It is very flexible and it is open source. So many applications are available, so large number of applications, and also huge number of smartphones with this OS available on the market using Android operating system. What are the disadvantages? Many current versions of many devices, the new version comes too late and does not appear at all. So developer have to develop application focusing on older version. It comes again, but new versions are come in the market but come lately. So users have to do the work or some functions with the help of older version of operating system. High predisposition to hacker attacks due to the openness of the code. So it is freely available, open source. So it is it is easily attacked by the hackers. Almost always requires improvement. Always there is some requirement of improvements. Here are some versions available of Android. So many versions are there, like Cupcake, it is Android 1.5, Donut, Eclair, Proyo, Gingerbread, Honeycomb, Ice Cream Sandwich, Jelly Bean, Kit Kat, Lollipop, Marshmallow, Nougat. These are some versions of Android operating system. We'll talk about Windows 10 mobile. This mobile version is Windows 10 developed by Microsoft. It is designed for devices with screen size up to 8 inches. Windows 10 mobile is designed to provide greater synchronization with the Windows version for personal computer also, and greater synchronization of content, new universal application, as well as the ability to connect device to an external display and use a smartphone as a PC with an interface with the mouse and keyboard support. So it is easily interact with the, it can be easily interface with the PC. Some features available so that you can display your mobile screen on PC, and so it is compatible with PC also. And dignities a tiled interface that displays information without opening the app, stability and smooth operation. Disadvantages are a small number of applications, short battery life, limited interface customization, inconvenience of use. These are some disadvantages. Here, but Windows operating system, you can see here one product family, one platform, one store. So it is very feasible. A new different operating system, Symbian operating system. It was the most popular OS for mobile devices for the support of Nokia. An important fact is that it has a small size and fact that the graphical interface and the core of the system are separated from each other. So interface and hardware or core system are separated. This made it easy to port it to various mobile devices. You can port this operating system with different mobile, and it is also provide multitasking. Dignities or benefits: low memory and CP requirements, unused memory release functions, stability, small number of viruses for this platform, large number of programs. What are disadvantages? To communicate with the PC, you need to install additional software. Incompatibility of programs for old and new versions. No longer available updates in smartphones for this operating system. BlackBerry. This is another operating system available for BlackBerry mobiles. The operating system runs exclusively on devices manufactured by Research in Motion Limited (RIM). It is focused on corporate users. It got its name from smartphones for which it was created, as the keyboard of smartphones were similar to the berry of BlackBerry. Smartphones with this operating system have become widespread in the corporate environment due to the complexity of interception of messages. So BlackBerry mobiles have their BlackBerry operating system. It is available for the corporate use, and there is some keyboard available like just said Berry of the BlackBerry. Dignities: convenient email use, easy synchronization with PC, wide range of security settings. Disadvantages are optimized to display only text information, the quality of graphics is not very good, not very convenient in browser. So it is not very popular OS or mobile for the normal users. We can see the logos of different operating system: Apple, Android, Windows. Here we can see the market share of every mobile operating system. Like 51% share is Android in the market. iOS has 20%. Windows Phone has very less. It is only 1%. BlackBerry OS have 11%, and Symbian OS has 17%. Thank you.